Okay, so today we're going to take a look at this quick rework hot air station, model number 957DW Plus. So let's see what we have in here. We have a 4-page manual. We have the stand for the handle and 3 nozzles. We're going to take a look in a second. And this seems to be made of silicone, I hope so, and a display and 2 knobs. That's all I need. One is for the air control and the other one is for the temperature. Okay, so we have the stand here with these 2 screws to attach it on the side. It goes right here, just like that. Let's take a look at the nozzles first. That's the first one. The smallest one. And this is the medium size. Let's see how this goes. Okay, we need a screwdriver. Good enough. I've seen this on YouTube videos with a black front panel. So I guess this is a newer model, or not newer model, new edition, I guess. And that's that. And the lowest setting seemed to be 100 degrees. Feels pretty good. So this is my first hot air station. The airflow at max speed seems okay, in my opinion. It's not too strong, but I think it's okay. Let's put it at 330. So that's hot. Okay, so let's try removing a chip from a board. Let me see what I have. Okay, so I had this board here. We're gonna try to remove this one right here and probably this one right here. Okay, sorry I don't have a better zoom in the camera. Okay, so the first thing we want to do is add some solder. Okay. I think the problem here is that it's glued to the board. So you can see I burned the board in this section right here. So that was a tough one because yeah, it has glue, it's glued down from the factory. Let's try a different one now. Let's try this one, and this one is going to be hard too. Let's try that. Let's add some solder. By the way, this thing is really quiet. Yeah, the airflow is too high. Oh, right there. It came right out. Nice. Let's try one of these caps. Maybe I don't need to add some solder. There you go. Let's take the other one. There you go. That was nice and easy. Let's try this little guy over here. There you go. So if you know how to do it right, you can do it really fast and you don't burn the board. So I was using 310 degrees. Okay, let's try one more. Let's see this board. Let's try this big guy right here. Actually, let me add some flux right here. Right there. Now let's see how it goes. There you go. So yeah, you have to be very careful, especially with the ones that are glued down from factory. Those can be a little bit tricky. Okay, so that was nice. So my next video, I don't know if the next video, but my next project, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this DSP chip from the Sound Blaster 16 and we're going to install a socket, and I'm going to install a new chip for that with a new ROM. This is version 4.4. I'm not sure if this is the version or one of the versions that had the hanging note bug, but anyway, there's a Vogons thread where I'm gonna share down in the description with all the information. They have a custom firmware, and we're gonna start it with the new version of the DSP chip. So it's gonna have several bug fixes. So that's gonna be the next project. Also, this board is missing a cap here that I need to repair. I have to figure out which one is it. Probably it's one of these values, but I'm not sure. I want to make sure it's first I want to make sure it's working, and then we're gonna do this mod for this chip. That's gonna be a very fun project to do, but that's gonna be in another video. Thank you for watching and take care.